Hello everyone, my name is Danielle Smith. How many of you guys have wondered how to make strawberry chocolate cake? Well, today you're in luck, as I'll be discussing how to make strawberry chocolate cake, a great idea for a birthday cake. And showing you guys how to make strawberry chocolate cake, I'll be showing you based on my experience making them and some research I've done. In discussing how to make strawberry chocolate cake, I'll discuss the following: what ingredients are needed, how to make the batter, and finally, how to make the frosting. First, let's talk about what ingredients are needed. According to Maria Lecce, published March 6, 2020, in an online web article titled Strawberry Chocolate Cake Recipe, published March 6, 2021, here are some ingredients that are needed. 2 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cups granulated flour, 3/4 cups unsweetened cocoa powder, 1.5 cups baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of whole milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. All these ingredients can be found at your local grocery store. According to Southern Living Editors, published in 2021, in a web article titled Chocolate Strawberry Cake, this cake can be good for many occasions, perfect for birthdays and special celebrations. This rich and fudgy dessert is like a chocolate-dipped strawberry in cake form. We pair dark chocolate cake with fluffy buttercream that gets its flavor and pink color from the fresh berries. Now that I discussed how to make what ingredients are needed for the cake, now I'll discuss how to make this batter and finally how we make the frosting. In a bowl of a stand mixer, mix all the ingredients together. Then turn on the mixer on a medium speed for 2 minutes. Then stir in the boiling water. For the stand mixer, if you don't own a stand mixer, I personally own a stand mixer because I find it easier and effective to use than mixing it manually. But if you do not own a stand mixer, that's fine. You can manually mix it yourself. These machines can be found at your local Walmart or Target. According to Maria Lecce, in the article titled Strawberry Chocolate Cake Recipe, you may pour the batter into prepared pans, bake 30 to 35 minutes until it is baked completely. Then you can take the pans out of the oven and cool them and make them sure they cool off completely. And finally, how we make the frosting. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of melted chocolate chips. According to Sarah Phillips, in an online web article titled What is Frosting and Icing?, published June 25, 2000, she states some benefits about frosting a cake. Frosting contributes flavor and richness to the cake. It also adds interest and provides a smooth surface for decorating on. Frosting improves the cake's appearance. Special occasion cakes become more festive with frosting and decorations. Frosting improves the keeping qualities of the cake by forming a protective coating around it, sealing in moisture and flavor. How to assemble your cake. Place 1 cake on a cake platter spread. Spread your frosting over the bottom layer of the cake. Slice 1 cup of strawberries lengthwise and place them on top of the frosting. Then place the second cake on top of the strawberries and gently press down to set the cake. Then you place the strawberries stem side down on top of the cake. Your cake should look like the cake on the right here, how it should be assembled. According to David Coleman, in the web article titled Benefits from Having Chocolate Cake, published July 7, 2018, here are some benefits from having chocolate cake. It can be good for our heart and circulation of blood. Consumption of chocolate lowers the risk of strokes. And it contains minerals like selenium, potassium, zinc that are good for our health. Okay, that is the end of my speech. Thank you for listening. I hope you guys use this recipe for yourself for strawberry chocolate cake, as it can be used for a great birthday gift for a bright birthday cake and for many good special occasions. Thank you for listening.